Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm showing you the easiest crochet Christmas ball keychain. So quick, so simple. You'll finish it and think, I can't believe I made this. This little project is perfect. Even if you're brand new to crochet, a delightful little Christmas gift. You can finish in just a few minutes, in just a moment. I'll show you a tiny little trick in round 2. And honestly, it's the secret behind that perfect round shape. You won't want to miss this. You only need medium weight cotton yarn and a 2.20 millimeter hook. That's it. It's really that easy. If you're ready, let's begin. All right, let's begin with a simple magic ring. Chain 2 and make 12 double crochets into the ring. This is what creates that perfect round shape. Slip stitch right into that first chain, and that completes our round. Chain 1, snip your yarn, and now switch to your second color. And don't forget to check crochetstrends.com for even more free patterns and inspiration. Join your new yarn right between any 2 double crochets, not on top, but between the stitches, just like this. Chain 2. Then make 1 double crochet right into the same space, and this counts as your first double crochet. Make 2 double crochets right between the next 2 stitches. And again, make 2 double crochets right between the next 2 stitches. Repeat this pattern all the way around until you have 12 groups. Slip stitch right into that first chain to close the round. Chain 1, snip your yarn, and now switch to your third color. Join your yarn right in the center of any group and chain 3. And this counts as your first double crochet. Make 2 double crochets right between the 2 stitches in the group below. Now make 1 double crochet into the space between the 2 groups. Make 2 double crochets right between the next 2 stitches. And now, make 1 double crochet into the space between the 2 groups. Repeat this pattern all the way around. Slip stitch right into the first chain to close the round. Chain 1, snip your yarn, and now switch back to your first color. Join your yarn right on top of any double crochet. Chain 1. Make 1 single crochet into the same stitch. Make 1 single crochet on top of the next stitch. Insert your hook between the 2 groups in round 2. Pull up a loop and make a single crochet. Make 2 single crochets on the next 2 stitches. Insert your hook into the same space as the stitch below. Pull up a loop and make a single crochet. Make 2 single crochets on the next 2 stitches. Repeat this pattern all the way around. slip stitch right into that first stitch and join the round. Now, leave a long tail and snip your yarn. Just like that. Now crochet one more piece, following the exact same steps. And if your first one looks good, you're doing amazing so far. You won't need a long tail on the first piece. We'll use the tail from the second piece to sew everything together. Don't worry, it's really simple. Go ahead and thread your yarn needle and begin joining the two circles together. Nice and easy. Looking good so far. And if you're enjoying this tutorial, give the video a quick like. It really helps. Sew right through the matching stitches on both pieces, just like this. Use the loops that are facing you on both pieces and sew them together gently. This keeps the edge nice and clean. You're doing great, and if you want more easy tutorials like this, subscribe for new videos every week. Leave a small opening and add your stuffing right through that space, just a little at a time. Continue sewing and close the remaining opening, nice and smooth. After your final stitch, adjust the stuffing with your fingers and attach your keychain clip. It already looks so cute. And that's it. Your Christmas ball keychain is ready. More free patterns at crochetstrends.com. That's all for today's tutorial. And I truly hope you found it helpful. I hope this tutorial was helpful and truly enjoyable for you. Before you go, please subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, and share it with your loved ones to spread the joy of crocheting. And if you have any questions about any part of this project, feel free to ask in the comments below. I'm always here to help you. Take care, my friends, and happy crocheting!